Hi guys, today I want to show you database function in Excel. You may not believe, but this function is like more than 20 years old in Excel, and I learned it in 2000 or 1999, somewhere at that point in time. So let's start. So this is my made-up data, and I would just create a second sheet where I would want to summarize this data. So I would just copy the column names to my second sheet. You can paste it anywhere you want. I will just choose from here, and I will just start using my database function. So the first function that I will be using is dsum. As soon as I type dsum and into the bracket, I forgot the equal sign. Okay, is equal to dsum, the bracket, so I get the IntelliSense, which shows me the database, field, and criteria. Let's see what are these three things. The database, it's very simple. This data table is our database, so I would pick this, and then comma, field, I want to summarize by salary, so I click on salary, and then comma, criteria. Where is the criteria? This is the criteria where we have copied all this information. So I will just choose this, and one row below the column names where I can type my my query, and I would just close the bracket and will press the enter. So what we see, what you see right here now is the total, the complete total of this salary column. That is 54,000, sorry, that's a long number, 544,948. So that is the total. So now if I want to see that how much salary is paid to doctors only, I would just type here doctor and will press enter, and it will give me the total of doctors. That is 63,631. It should be way more than that because doctors are getting paid a lot of money. So let's check this out, and that is right at 63,631. So let's see how much teachers are getting paid. Teachers are getting paid a lot. So this is total. Let's write here total. Now let's try the dmax function. Again is equal to dmax. I would just open the brackets. You're doing pretty much the same thing, the same process. You're just getting different results. In the field is again salary, and again comma, and now the criteria should be again the same criteria, the same place, and close the bracket, press the enter. So max, the dmax function basically picks up the maximum amount being paid to the teacher, and if I delete teacher, it will show maximum amount paid to all the employees. So maximum amount paid to the doctors, that is 54,622. Now let's try minimum. That would be d min, and then close the bracket. It's pretty much the same exact process. You're doing the same thing, and then comma, and then field is the salary, and then criteria. Again, I'm gonna choose this area and close the bracket, press the enter. So this is the minimum salary for the doctor, that is the maximum salary. Again, if I close that, this is the minimum salary, this is the maximum salary. For the teacher, this is the minimum salary, this is the maximum salary, this is the total salary. And for the other guys, engineer, this is the minimum, this is the maximum, and this is the total. Yeah, that's all. Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and thanks for watching.